Hey, it's Madison here from Ride Now Power Sports, and today we're out at Hog Waller with our custom Polaris RZR Pro XP. This is the first build we've done with one of our new, powerful Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade kits, specifically designed for the Polaris RZR Pro XP. In this build, we've installed the Stage 4 kit. The first thing you're going to notice is how the look and placement of these speakers is specifically designed for a premium factory fit and finish. It'll even keep up with you in the mud holes. All components are IP67 rated and environment ready, so you don't have to worry about your tunes frying out in the mud holes or during a spray down. It'll be the last thing that you have to worry about while blasting through the trails and pits. One thing you purveyors of playlists will appreciate is how perfectly the speakers are placed and tuned specifically for the seating position of the RZR Pro XP. What this gives you is the clearest and loudest audio possible, even during high speeds, so you'll never miss a beat. Now we're going to turn things over to Chris, who's going to walk you through the kit options.
Thanks, Madison. This system is absolutely awesome. I was so impressed by it. Let's talk about the different stages a little bit. So these upgrade kits come in Stage 2, Stage 3, and Stage 4 options. First, let's take a look at Stage 2. This kit comes with a 400-watt amp, a pair of 1-inch pillar-mounted tweeters, and two 6.5-inch mid-drive speakers. Next, Stage 3 is all that, plus the 10-inch subwoofer that has its own integrated 400-watt amp. Like every component in the system, it's seamless and tucks neatly up under the dash. Finally, Stage 4 fills the full surround sound experience by adding two 6.5-inch speakers in the rear. One last add-on works with all stages is the pair of 6.5-inch 50-watt coaxial speakers in Rockford Fosgate rear speaker pods. They mount directly to the rear roll bar and are a perfect companion to every stage.
Thanks, Chris. All kits are compatible with either the Polaris Ride Command or the Rockford Fosgate PMX2 head unit. If you're ready to rock, come see us at Ride Now Jacksonville and order the audio upgrade kit you've been waiting for. It's the Rockford Fosgate audio kit, custom tailored to your Polaris RZR Pro XP. We'll see you there.